You want to eat better to feel better. One way is to cook like your ancestors. Foods without a list of ingredients you can't pronounce, or sauces without seed oils that are repurposed lubricants. Start with wholesome ingredients from your local natural foods grocer. So, what's my plan for these amazing fresh veg? My go-to trusty carbon steel wok. Perfect for a quick saute and steam all in one simple pan. Want to know why I love cooking with a wok? Check out the link in the notes. Before we prep our veg, like all of my meal prep, start by safely bringing your power protein meat to room temp, ready for an easy warming in the saute pan at the end. Here is some of my braised lamb shoulder roast I made on Saturday for easy meal prep during the week. From the squash family, zucchini. Cut off the end and then slice into little discs. The thinner the better for a quick saute. Remember to use your crab hand to help guide the blade. Critical for keeping your fingers safe when slicing anything very thin. Summer squash comes in many shapes and sizes and are full of vitamin A, which can support your vision and immune system. From the root family, these brilliant golden beets. Just as we did with the zucchini, cut off the end and then slice into little discs. An excellent source of powerful antioxidants, and they're heart healthy. They help lower blood pressure and cholesterol, and they're good for our eyes and skin. And please don't throw away the beet greens. They're sweet, mild, and cook up into the silkiest, most tender greens you'll ever eat. Trim off the ends, as they can be tough, and then rough chop the leaves. Garlic scapes are the long green shoots that grow from the garlic bulb. They're a farmer's market find and an amazing way to add garlicky flavor to your favorite dishes. But choose whatever aromatics work for you. A simple crushed clove of garlic works just great. I also slice up a little onion for added flavor and a bit of bite against the sweeter beets. Simply trim off the ends, cut into quarters for easily peeling of the outer skin, and then rough chop. Nothing fancy. Use cooking as meditation time for calmer mind states and to savor and enjoy food, which does lead to fewer food cravings. Fire your burner on medium-high, and with a hot pan, add a dollop of healthy cooking fat. And for this dish, I'm starting with 1/4 of our aromatics, a bit of onion and garlic, which helps season the pan for added flavor in the next batches. Now, they cook fast, so be mindful not to burn them. A sprinkle of salt, and spread evenly. Then add in your first veg, your leafy greens. I'm going to do things in reverse of my usual firmer to tender approach, just to show you that anything goes. Add a drizzle of heart-healthy extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle of salt, and stir to coat. A simple sizzle to warm and bring out the flavors. Then a quick steam. Swirl a tablespoon of water or your favorite sauce around the outer edges of the pan and place your lid. You only need 30 to 60 seconds to soften the greens. I try to add greens to nearly every dish. They're packed full of fiber and nutrients, virtually calorie-free, very affordable, and add vibrant color. Plate and ready for the next batch. Fire your burner, a swirl of extra virgin olive oil, another portion of your aromatics to layer flavors. Stir to coat, a sprinkle of salt, and let brown and soften. Push the aromatics to the side so they don't burn, and in go your zucchini. Add another drizzle of healthy fat to help with the searing, and a sprinkle of salt. Stir to coat. Then spread the dice around the pan so they cook evenly. This is one of the many reasons I love cooking with a wok, because the sides give you added cooking surface, allowing you to cook a lot quickly. Zucchini is about 95% water content. Once you see the zucchini become translucent, they're ready to plate. The next batch are golden beets. You know the routine. Fire your burner, swirl of extra virgin olive oil, aromatics, stir to coat, a sprinkle of salt, and let brown and soften. Push the aromatics to the side so they don't burn. Add your brilliant golden beets and let them sear. Little rings in the middle like mini tree trunks. Spread out to cook evenly, press to sear, and once they start to turn translucent, create a pile for a quick steam. Thanks to their sweet, earthy flavor, Golden beets are delicious on their own, but just as great combined with other vegetables like we're doing here. Cook a wide variety of nutritious plants for gut health and a stronger immune system. As always, you can serve many ways, each item on its own or combined like I'm doing here for a beautiful contrast of colors and flavors. Last, we warm a portion of our weekly meat braise. Here, our braised lamb shoulder roast, already at room temperature. Just a bit of healthy fat to help keep the meat mixture from sticking to the pan. I braise meat once a week, so I always have a protein-packed option like this on hand. The amino acids of protein are important for muscle, joints, and brain. Build meals around protein to activate mTOR for health and longevity. And if you want to know more, check out the Power Protein Points link in the notes. Batch cook fiber-filled plants, power proteins, and healthy fats in 30 minutes a day. These leftovers also make an easy protein-packed frittata for the next night's meal. You can also liven this dish up by drizzling a bit of your favorite sauce. Here is my bright light French vinaigrette. The link to this full sauce recipe is in the notes. Eat clean, free of additives and preservatives that leave us feeling bloated, sluggish, irritable, and vulnerable to chronic disease. Enjoy.